here. It's currently 16th of April, and it's 8:40, I think. We're going to the airport soon. Wait, sorry, I meant to say 7:40. We're going to the airport soon, since our flight is 11:45, which is very late. So see you at the airport, I guess. And also we're going to Portugal, but we're only going to stay there for a few days until we go to Spain to start the Camino de Santiago, and then yeah. Hello.
Hello.
We're in the airport now. We're just dropping our bags, and then after this we'll just like go to immigration, I think, and then we're just gonna wait for the plane.
Yeah, dito na kami, mag-check-in na kami. After check-in, then immigration, and then go to the boarding gate. So, okay pa naman ang oras. 10 minutes before 9. Ang flight namin is 11:15 PM. So, okay pa naman. Wala masyadong tao.
Hi. So, nakaabot pa naman kami. So, we're here. Our flight is at 11:15. Bound to Zurich first, and then from Zurich to Porto. So, this is it. Our family will have a pilgrimage to Camino de Santiago, and we'll walk the Camino Portuguese. We'll also visit other churches in Porto, in Braga, Guimarães, and Fatima. So it's really a holy trip for the family.
Plano namin, maglalakad kami ng 130 kilometers within 7 days. Base sa estimate namin, we can do 20 kilometers a day for about 4 to 5 hours. So hopefully maging okay yung lakad namin. Hindi kami sobrang mapagod. Siyempre, depende yun sa dami ng dala-dala mo. At least 10% of your weight. But meron din akong nabasa, a sweet spot or yung pinaka maganda is only 7%. Before yung actual na lakad namin, mag-stay muna kami sa Porto ng 3 days. And then we will go around Porto, so we can see kung ano ang itsura ng Portugal. Ito yung mga dala namin. Sina Chad and Ivan, may dala na silang bag nila. Pero yung bag namin nasa check-in namin. So, ayusin na lang namin pagdating namin dun sa Porto.
No,
okay?
he's a Japanese.
So, so ngayon, nasa Hong Kong pa kami. Then, waiting for the flight to Zurich.
This is very nice.
And then, Zurich, stop over for 3 hours, and then going to Porto.
Wait, Daddy, can I take a video of walking stuff?
Hello. Dito na kami sa Switzerland. Babalak namin almost 12 to 13 hours ang flight. So,
So, we just arrived in Switzerland. It's a good thing yung flight namin gabi, no? So, ang dating namin dito is early morning. It's 6:15. We arrive on time, no delay. And we just wait for a few hours before we take our flight going to Portugal.
Hello. We're in Switzerland.
We made it to Porto, but we still travel for maybe. Hi, we're here na sa airport ng Porto, so we're going to our apartment to
after 17 hours, nakadating na kami dito sa Portugal. So pupunta na kami ng aming bahay. Inaantay lang namin yung train nila. Kasi ganito yung railway system nila. So ang sabi nila 25 minutes lang daw yun mula dito. Medyo nakakapagod yung biyahe namin, pero okay naman. Pahinga lang kami, nakatulog kami ng konti, pero it's okay.
Of course not.
Alright, see you later. Hi, dito na kami sa Porto. Nakapag-check-in na kami dun sa Airbnb. So ngayon kakain kami ng actually lunch to eh. Pero dito around I think past 1 PM na. Kaya kakain muna kami. May nirecommend yung landlord namin kung saan kami kakain. Kaya pupuntahan namin. Malapit lang siya dito. So one block away lang. It's a Portuguese restaurant. So let's check it out. Ito na siya.
A few moments later.
Hi! Tapos na kami kumain.
Ng lunch.
3 o'clock lunch namin. Masarap.
Yeah, we ate authentic Portuguese cuisine. So dito, matagal na siya yung Rosa do Porto restaurant.
Para siyang homemade dessert. Masarap siya.
Mabait sila dito. And now we'll take a walk. Punta kami dito sa pinakamalapit na simbahan para magpasalamat sa maayos na biyahe namin. Yun. Then lakad-lakad dito sa area ng apartment namin dito sa Avenida de Boa Vista. So yung dalawa kasi sinakambal, may nakita sila dito bilihan ng, may nakita silang bookstore dito sa website dito sa area na to. So pupuntahan namin yun later, yung Mundo Fantasma. So yun, lakad kami, madaan ng church, magpasalamat na rin at bisita iglesia. So try namin pang i-cover yung liwanag para masanay kami makapag-adjust. Although medyo pagod na kami, but we'll try to adapt dun sa time zone ng Portugal.
Yung weather ngayon parang makulimlim. Then kanina umuulan na ambon, kaya nagmadali kami. Ito yung tinutuluyan namin, pero lalagpas kami muna. Doon yung pupuntahan namin. Then mamaya house tour. Dumating kami from Switzerland around I think 11 AM time dito sa Portugal. And then nakalabas na kami ng airport mga 12. Then sumakay kami ng train papunta sa Porto around 30 minutes. And then yun, nagano kami, lakad-lakad. Bukas pala pupunta kami sa Braga. Aalis kami dito sa Porto ng around 8 AM. And then nag-book na ako ng rent-a-car. Kukunin namin siya. And then pumunta kami Braga, then Guimarães, and then matutulog kami doon ng one night. And then babalik ulit kami dito sa Porto. So iikutin namin yung Braga and Guimarães. I think mga 1 hour na driving.
Yes.
So malaman kung gaano katagal.
May sinabi siya si Joe.
Oo.
Ito fruits, oh. Market, oh. You can buy banana para pag
Right.
naglakad tayo.
So, mga bahay dito, okay din eh. Parang ganun, no?
Is this the church? Oh, here's the church.
Oh. Ito na, yung puntahan namin.
Church. Yeah. Santissima.
Oh, dito na kami sa bahay. So, nag-check-in na kami. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung Airbnb namin. Oh, so, dito mayroong isang bed. So, dito matutulog mamaya si Chad and Ivan. And then, dito is kitchen.
I would like to put in the
Merong lutuan. Merong oven. Merong fridge.
What's this, guys?
So, it's okay naman.
Oh, yes,
Tapos meron kaming view yung labas, and then I think enough lang to para sa amin. And then meron pang isang bedroom doon kami mamaya matutulog. Right here. See? So, yun lang. And then toilet right here. So, yun lang. Hindi. So, matutulog kami ngayong gabi. Then tomorrow, doon kami sa Braga. Then, babalik ulit kami the other day dito sa bahay ko to. Alright. So, yun lang muna. Thank you very much.